Peace, family. Let's talk paper trading. So, right now I'm on TradingView.com, and TradingView, which is mainly used for charting, right, and doing your technical analysis, marking up the chart, can also be used as a trading panel. So, down here at the bottom of the screen, if you look at the bottom, and you'll see a few different buttons down here. If you click on Trading Panel, you'll see this panel kind of slide up from the bottom of the screen. And what you'll see is a lot of different brokers that can be integrated or connected directly into TradingView. What this means is if you set up an account with one of these companies, for example, we recommend people in the United States use a broker by the name of Owanda. So if you use Owanda, you'll go to their website, set up an account with them, and we'll show you how to do that in the upcoming video. After you set up your account with Owanda, it's possible for you to connect your Owanda account right to TradingView. So what that means is now you can trade and chart all in one place, okay? Because the thing is, each one of these brokers also has their own charting software. They all allow you to see candlesticks and draw trend lines and put indicators on your chart. However, TradingView has built the best system to date, and also they are integrated with all of these different brokers. So if you want to chart and trade in one place, that is possible. And I want to show you how that's done. So let's start off by first looking at paper trading. So paper trading is TradingView's built-in broker. All right. It's fake. It's a simulated brokerage created by TradingView. And what they do is they just allow you to put in buy and sell orders so that way you can get used to trading. Okay. You can practice your strategies. You can see how much money you want to risk per trade. You can just try things out. Okay. It's a great testing ground. So all of these other ones we're not going to mess with right now. Everyone should just start right here by using this app right here called Paper Trading. So you'll click on that. And what it will do is usually it shows a menu. So because I already have one, it's not going to show me what it will show you, but it's going to pretty much ask you, see if I can do another one. Okay, here we go. So to actually create an account, you could say something like, this is my demo account. Or if you want to call it something specific, like this is my Forex demo account, because you may also have a futures demo account as you start to learn futures with us, or maybe you have a crypto futures demo account as well. So the cool thing is you can trade all of them on one account, or if you wanted to, like I said, you could separate them too. So that way you can see how are you trading. Also, you can separate them by strategy. So you can have strategy number 1 demo account, and then you also can have strategy number 2 demo account. So you can see how much money you're making with this strategy compared to with that strategy. Maybe you want to have one account just for your T.bot signals and another one for trades that you may get with one of our other coaches. Okay. So once you do that, you'll set your account balance. You could choose whatever you want. Maybe you want to say, well, if I really wanted to invest, let's say $500 into the market, let me see how I would trade $500. Okay, so you can create your $500 paper trading account. Or maybe you'll say, you know what, I want to become a funded trader, which means I want to go apply for a funded account with one of these evaluation firms, and I want to see if they want to give me a $100,000 account. Okay, this is what we show you how to do here at Unlock Academy. So let's say you want to do that. You can go ahead, include commission if you want. You pretty much would just say what the commission will be per trade, right? So let's just say I said $10 per trade. You would know that from your broker, okay? If you want to say no commission, if you don't want to deal with that right now, you can also uncheck it. You won't have to think about it right now, but just know that some brokers do charge commissions per trade, which means every time you put in an order, they charge you a little bit of something, okay? It's hard to get around some kind of fee. So you just click create, okay? Over here it says fail to create an account. Only letters, numbers, and underscores and hyphens are available. So they don't like this little pound symbol right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and call this my fake demo account, right? There we go. Oh, maybe they don't even like spaces. Okay, so let me remove the spaces as well. So I'm gonna just do it all close. There we go. So, hey, now you got to see. You cannot have any special characters besides underscores and hyphens, and also you cannot have spaces. So All right, now here I go. I have a fake demo account. I also have my other account as well. I've been using this. I'm just trying to grow it up to 120,000, having some testing going on there. So once you have that, you can always go ahead and change the commission by clicking on a little settings button right here. And you can also reset the account. So if you lose some trades and you want to start over, you can do that too. Okay. Now at the bottom here, you're going to see things like positions. Positions is what open positions do you have right now. It's going to say none if you have not opened up a trade yet. Okay. Orders is when you put in a order on the trading market. It may not be active yet. So you may say, hey, put me in if the price comes up here. So if it comes up here, put me in. But that's just an order. That's not actually a position. Okay. Positions are live trades. Orders are pending trades. Okay. Then of course you'll be able to see your history. It shows you just pretty much all of the different orders, account history. It shows your balance before and after each trade. And then also trading journal. It just has like little notes and stuff inside of there. So if you ever wanted to trade, what you would do is click on this little trade button right here, and it's going to show a pop-up panel over here to the right. Sometimes it doesn't show it to the right. It just makes it pop up in the middle of the screen as well. So you could do either one. If you click the three little dots, you could dock it to the right. Okay. I'm going to close that and show you another way to open up a trade. You can go into the middle of your chart and you can right click and then go down to trade and then go down to create new order. And then once again, it'll show up your little trading panel over here to the right. Okay. Now, in order to put in a trade, this may be a little bit early for you if you've never done any trading yet and you don't really understand buying and selling on the market. But this is what you would do. Usually you would say you want to do an order, not dime. Okay. You just do a regular order. You say if you want to sell, or if you want to buy. So if you think the market is going to go up, you put in buy and you can make money as it goes up. If you think the market is going to go down, you put in sell and you make money as the market goes down. So that's the really cool part about it. Trading is not just regular investing. You can make money as the market goes up or goes down. So when you click one of these buttons, you're making a prediction. So you want to predict it's going to go down, you can make money as it goes down. If you think it's going to go up, you click this button right here and you will make money as it goes up. So next, you will say if it's going to be a market order, a limit order, or a stop order. Okay. Market order means put me in right now. Limit and stop means put me in at a future price. Okay. The only difference between limit and stop is a stop order is saying, put me into a buy. Okay. But put me into a buy, stop at a future price. So only put me in if it makes it up here. You see the price is currently down here. Put me in if it goes up here. Okay. So a buy stop is saying, put me in at a future buy order where the price is headed towards upwards. Okay. If the price goes up, put me in. A buy limit says, put me into a buy, but only put me into a buy if it comes lower. Okay. So what you're predicting is that the market is going to go down first and then it's going to go up. So, you know, you ever heard somebody say buy low? That's pretty much what a buy limit allows you to do. You put in an order and it's only going to put you in if the market comes down to this price, 151.46. Okay. And you will put that in right here, 151.46. Okay. If you want to get at a stop, that's at a future price above. That's this number up here, 151.82. You will put that right here, 151.82. Okay. So once again, this will take practice. It will take consistency. Soon you'll have a challenge where we'll say, hey, let's see if you can put in 5 trades for the next 5 days. Okay. And it's just really to build that repetition and build that muscle memory. Once you get over that hump, you'll feel more comfortable when it comes to jumping into trades. Okay. So market order, put me in immediately. Limit and stop are put me in at future prices. Limit, put me in at a future price below. Stop, put me in at a future price above. Now, I'm not going to confuse you right now, but if you was doing a sell order, limit and stop would just be the opposite. Okay. So we'll talk more about that later on. But right now, just know that we're going to be focused on, let's say, just doing market orders and stop orders. Okay. That's what you should get used to. Market orders and stop. Stop order because T.bot is going to give you a signal at a future price. It's going to say get in if the market comes up here. So for a buy stop, we'll get in if the market comes up here. Next, what you would need to do, okay, is you would need to put in your take profit numbers and your stop loss numbers. We'll talk about that in upcoming videos, but pretty much your take profit is where you get out at a profit. Stop loss is where you get out at a loss. The cool thing is once you put these numbers in, let me see, 151.75. Once you put these numbers in, you don't have to watch the trade, okay? TradingView, or whoever your broker is that you integrate with TradingView, but pretty much the software will handle the trade for you. It will activate once it gets to this price, and it also will take you out once it gets to the take profit number or the stop loss number. Okay, so once again, it's done for you. That's the cool part about it. It will manage itself for you. Okay, and lastly, down here at the bottom, it says time in force. This means how long should this order be pending for? Remember, this is a pending order saying put me in if it makes it to this price. If it doesn't make it to that price within a week, it will automatically cancel. If it doesn't make it to that price within a day, you can have it automatically canceled. Same thing for in the same month. If it doesn't make it to it within a month, it will automatically cancel. But also there's GTD. This means good till done, I believe. One second. GTD trading. I think it's good till date. Oh, good till date. Yeah. So good till date, and then as you see, a date pops up down here. I forgot. Yeah. So if you wanted to say instead of just 1 day or 1 week or 1 month, you can give a specific date and say, hey, take me out Friday at 4, maybe even like noon. You know, the market is closing soon for the week. Let me just shut the whole trade down. So you could say good till date, and once you click buy, that order will go in. Let's try it out. So the order is now in. If I go over here to orders, you'll see it shows my buy stop, and it's working, meaning it's waiting. It's waiting till the price gets to 151.75. It's currently 151.66. So it may happen today, it may not. It depends. Okay. But also you have your stop loss order and your take profit order all down here as well. So TradingView has all of those orders sitting there working. Once this activates, these will start working because they're going to be waiting to see which one gets hit. Okay. No positions open still because they're just pending orders. Okay. The journal does show that we did place some pending orders. But that's pretty much it. That's how you will go about putting in a trade. If you wanted to cancel these at any time, you can. So over here at the bottom in the trading panel, I'm gonna click on this X. You can also edit and modify the order. So I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna go ahead and click cancel. So it canceled it, which means it also canceled my stop loss and take profit as well automatically. Okay. So those orders are canceled. Now I want to show you how to jump into a trade right away. I'm gonna click on buy. I'm gonna click on market. Okay, and I'm gonna put my take profit just really close right up here. I'm not gonna try to make a serious trade. So right here at 151.69, type that number here. And then my stop loss, I'm gonna put, remember I told you in a previous video about this tool, this long position tool, this is how you would use it. So your entry goes right here in the middle. Okay. Take profit, I'm gonna put like right here, and my stop loss, I'm gonna just put right here. So this is a very, very tight trade, okay? Not trying to do too much here, but let's just see what happens. And just trying to show you. So my entry is coming up right now. My take profit is 151.69. My stop loss is 151.66. Over here to the right, you see that, okay? Now, last thing you need to do is you need to understand risk. So risk means if you have a $100,000 account, how much do you want to risk on this one trade? So you can literally put in a dollar amount right here and say, I want to risk $1,000. $1,000 is 1% of 100,000. So you could have just put 1% here. You could put 2% here, and it's going to automatically calculate the amount. You could put 3% here. Okay. You could put 4%. Okay. You could put 5%, and it'll show you automatically it's risking $5,000. So if you lose, as you see down here, it's going to risk you about $5,000 on my loss. That's how much I would lose if I lost. But if I won, I will win 8,000. The reason is because my take profit is in a certain area. It's at 68 and the price is currently down here. So I stand to win more than I lose, okay? We'll talk more about risk to reward ratio later on, and you'll understand why this number should always be bigger than this one, or at least equal, okay? But that's it. That's it. Now I'll click buy. Actually, yeah, I'll do buy. Cool. Now I did a buy. Now this time, the market order says filled. It doesn't say working. It says filled. Now my take profit order and my stop loss order are working, right? Because they're on the market and they will get hit if the market goes to these prices. So, and I do have an open position currently open. It's down $3,000 because I'm risking a lot on this trade. I risk 5%, which is a huge amount of money. So it's it's already down, but I just wanted to show you everything you need to actually start trading is right here, okay? We got you set up with Slack. We got you set up with TradingView, and now you have a paper trading account. All you have to do is just get used to these tools, go through day trading school, and you'll be all set up to take these profits, okay? If you have any questions, reach out on Slack or send us an email at help@unlock.academy. Peace.